In this video, we are going to see that if you want to delete the customer or the supplier invoices in Xero, how we can do this. So let's say I am on my dashboard and I have all the summary here. So if I want to go to the bills and invoices, let's say for the customer invoices, I will go to the business here and click on invoices. And here I can find all of the invoices. So once the invoice is entered, first it will be transferred to awaiting approval, and when it is approved, it is transferred to awaiting payment. So by the way guys, if you want to join our full course to learn Xero from basic to advanced, you can join in from the course link in the description. Also, if you want to see other amazing tips and tricks regarding the Xero cloud accounting software, you can join the playlist link on this channel as well. So just go to the awaiting payment. Let's say I want to delete this particular invoice. So all you have to do is just open this particular invoice, either double click on it or just click on the customer name. And once you have the open invoice in front of you, what you can do is just click on this three dots right here. Now here, before it was used to show delete option here, but now you have the option of void. So let's click on void here. Are you sure you want to void this invoice? This invoice will be deleted and can be undone. So basically void invoice is used to delete the invoice, but why it says here void, that's because when you extract the report, it will be shown in the audit trail. So click on void and this way the invoice will be deleted. So that's a pretty straightforward solution. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.